हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में आपको पोस्ट कोड 927 इन्वेस्टिगेटर का पेपर सॉल्व करवाऊंगा, जो कि hpssc के द्वारा प्रोविडेंस की के अकॉर्डिंग होंगे। इस वीडियो में आपको कॉमर्स सेक्शन सॉल्व करवाऊंगा। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द स्टेटमेंट मेड अबाउट अ पॉपुलेशन फॉर टेस्टिंग पर्पज इज कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन बी हाइपोथेसिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इफ द नल हाइपोथेसिस इज फॉल्स देन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एक्सेप्टेड। ऑप्शन डी अल्टरनेट हाइपोथेसिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ टाइप 1 एरर इज रेफर्ड एज। ऑप्शन सी ए अल्फा। टाइप 1 एरर को अल्फा द्वारा डिनोट किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द इफेक्ट ऑफ रिजेक्शन ऑफ हाइपोथेसिस विच डिक्रीज इन सैंपल साइज। ऑप्शन बी इंक्रीज, बढ़ता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन न्यूमेरिकल है, द रन स्कोर्ड बाय अ बैट्समैन इन 5 ODIs आर 31, 97, 112, 63 and 12. द स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन इज। ऑप्शन सी 25.79. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, find the median of the call received on 7 consecutive days 11, 13, 17, 13, 23, 25, 19. Right answer है option D 17. Next question, find the average of the given data set 3, 9, 5, 6, 7. Option D 4. Next question, find the range of the following data set 61, 22, 34, 17, 81, 99, 42, 94. Option B 82. Next question, the listing of the data in order of numerical magnitude is called. Option B array data. Next question, trickle down theory ignore the impact of economic growth on. Option C income distribution. Next question, extension or contraction of quality demanded of a commodity is a result of a change in. Option A unit price of the commodity. Next question, for successful price discrimination between two market, demand elasticity of production should be. Option B different. Next question, payment of water charges by the farmer to the government represent. Option A intermediate consumption. Next question, marginal utility is equal to average utility at that time when average utility is maximum. Next question, economic rent refer to. Option A payment made for the use of land. Next question, the study of factor pricing is alternately called the theory of. Option A function distribution. Next question है, which is defined as the output per unit of variable input. Option D average product. Next question, under full cost pricing, price is determined by. Option A by adding a margin to the average cost. Option A. Next question, transfer earning or alternative cost is otherwise known as. Option D opportunity cost. Next question है, in equilibrium a perfectly competitive firm will equate. Option D marginal revenue with marginal cost. Option D is the right answer. Next question, in a free enterprise economy resource allocation is determined by. Option A the pattern of consumer spending. Next question, economics is what it ought to be. The statement referred to normative economics. Option A. Next question, what are the main components of basic social infrastructure of an economy. Option B education, health and civil amenities. Option B. Next question, the result of cost plus inflation is hindrances in economic development, increases adverse effect on balance on payment, hindrance in development. Option D, all of these. Right answer है option D, all of these. Next question, which is not included in the national income? Option C, winning a lottery. Next question, national income at factor cost is equal to. Option A, net national product minus indirect taxes plus subsidy. Next question है, the method of calculating the national income by the product method is otherwise known as. Option D, net output method. Next question है, which of the following represent the saving of private corporate sector? Option C, undistributed profit. Next question, which is correct about money supply in India? Option B, amount of money deposited in banks is greater than the public hold. Next question, merchant banking is an institution which provide finance to. Option B, international trade among countries. Next question, which is not the outcome of decrease in prime lending rate? Option C, decline in productivity. Next question, which of the following does not deal with export promotion? Option C, cooperative marketing societies. Next question, the achievement in agriculture by India has not reached up to a greater level due to. Option A, small holdings. Next question, what is the purpose of the India Brand Equity Foundation? Option B, to make made in India a label of quality. Next question, which is not one of the elements of a company's external micro environment that need to be accessed during situation analysis for e-marketing? Option B, supplier analysis. Next question, which is not part of economic environment of business? Option D, none of these. Next question है, which is not covered under corporate governance? Option B, business ethics. Next question है, subdivision of marketing is called. Option A, marketing segmentation. Next question, which memory can be stimulated by any kind of information? Option C, long term. Next question है, which represent the basic requirement a customer find essential to buy a product? Option A, expected product. Next question, the financial management is responsible for which function of the concern? Option A, finance. Next question, which is long-term planning for making and financing proposed capital outlays? Option A, capital budgeting. गाइस ये जो मैं आंसर बता रहा हूँ ये प्रोविजिलेंस की के अकॉर्डिंग है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द फर्स्ट डेवलपमेंट बैंक IFCI वाज इस्टैब्लिश्ड इन. ऑप्शन ए 1948. IFC की फुल फॉर्म है इंडियन फाइनेंशियल कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इमिटेशन गैप थ्योरी इज गिवन बाय. ऑप्शन ए पोस्टनर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द वर्ल्ड बैंक बिगन इट्स ऑपरेशन इन. ऑप्शन बी जून 1946 और इसकी स्थापना हुई थी जुलाई 1944. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन SDR transaction role of IMF is an intermediary guarantor. Both A, B. Option C, both A and B. SDR means special drawing rights जो कि इशू किए जाते हैं IMF के द्वारा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, DFEC स्टैंड फॉर. ऑप्शन सी ड्यूली फ्री एक्सपोर्ट क्रेडिट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजमेंट एक्टिविटी ऑफ अ म्यूचुअल फंड इज मैनेज बाय द. ऑप्शन बी AMC. कुछ जी के क्वेश्चन आ गए हैं, विच साइट इज एसोसिएटेड विद हड़प्पन कल्चर. ऑप्शन बी लोथल. विच इज साइट टू बी द ओल्डेस्ट जैन स्कल्पचर. ऑप्शन ए बारंग. Next question है which does not include under the function of human resource management. Option D profitably. Next question I am making progress in one's career through a series of right moves is called. Option A career progression. Next question which technique is susceptible to personal bias. Option B behavioral encode rating scale. Option B. Next question the chief promoter of clearing corporation is. Option A SBI. Next question reserve fund known as. Option B statutory reserve fund. Option B. Next question credit risk is defined as probability of default by the counterparty, probability of worsening of credit quality of a borrower account. Option C both A and B. The right answer is option C both A and B. Next question right share are the share. Option B offered to the existing equity shareholder. Next question dividend declared and paid by a company is. Option C distributed of profit earned by the company. Next question cash from operation is equal to. Option A net profit plus decrease in current asset. Option A. Next question effective management must be able to. Option A to access the needs of organization. Next question which is not an element of communication process. Option B communication. Next question है in a regressive tax system. Option A the amount of tax pay इसका आंसर है the average rate of tax falls as income increases. Option B the average rate of tax decreases with more income. Option B is the right answer. Next question which does not fall within the jurisdiction of MRTP Commission. Option D regulation of combination. Next question है the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion was established in. Option D 1995. Next question which is not rated as unusual item by accounting standard 5. Option C writing off of inventory due to obsolescence. Next question in which of the following case Garner versus More rule is not applicable. Option A only one partner is solvent, all partners are insolvent. Partner deed provides for a specific method to be followed in case of insolvency of a partner. Option D all of these. Right answer is option D all of these. Next question है which is an alternative way of representing the production function. Option C isoquant. Next question for which fund can the unanticipated expenditure be met without the prior approval of the parliament. Option B contingency fund of India. Next question social accounting system in India is classified into. Option A income product and expenditure. Next question taxes are called as regressive when more burden on poor as compared to rich. Option A. Next question the duties levied on alcoholic liquors, narcotics, drugs and opium come under. Option C state excise duty. Next question is if the mean of population is 29 then the mean of sampling distribution is. Option A 29. Next question in systematic sampling population is 240 and selected sample size is 60. The sampling interval is. Option C 4. Next question find the value of standard error x in a sampling distribution without replacement, given that the standard deviation of population is 100, item is 25. The right answer is option A 2. Next question. Consider a set of 18 samples from a standard normal distribution. We square each sample and sum all the square. The number of degrees of freedom for a chi-square distribution will be option B 18. Next question है, what is the mean of a chi-square distribution with 6 degrees of freedom? Of option B 6. Next question, which of these distribution is used for testing hypothesis? Option B chi-square distribution. Next question, which distribution is continuous? Option D F distribution. Option D F distribution is the right answer. Next question, find variance from an F distribution with V1 is equal to 5 and V2 is equal to 9. Right answer option A 1.587. Next question, the mean and variance of a binomial distribution are 4 and 2 respectively, then the probability of 2 successes is option D 28 divided by 256. Next question, a sample space consists of 3 mutually independent and equally like events. The probability of happening each one of them is equal to option B. Next question, the mean and standard deviation of a binomial distribution are respectively 10 and 2, then the value of Q is option D 0.4. Next question, what is the geometric mean of 1, 2, 8 and 16? Right answer option A 4. Next question, which test is applied to analysis of variance ANOVA? Option C F test. Option C F test. Next question, the difference between the sample value expected and the estimate value of the parameter is called as option A bias. Next question, which is a subset of population? Option B sample. A population has an atom sample of size n are selected without replacement. Find the number of possible sample. Option A. Next question, the differential equation y dy upon dx plus x is equal to A represent option A a set of circles with center on a axis. Option A. Next question, a positive integer is chosen at random. The probability that sum of the digit of its square is 33 is option A 1 by 11. Two cards are drawn successfully with replacement from a pack of 52 cards. The probability of drawing 2x is option A 1 by 13 into 1 by 13. Next question, a bag contains 5 brown and 4 white socks. A man pulls out 2 socks. The probability that they are in the same color is option D 4 by 9. Next question, if the mean of poison distribution is 2, then standard deviation option B 35. Next question, in a box containing 100 balls, 10 are defective. What are the probability that out of sample of 5 balls none is defective? Right answer is C. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 मैथ का है। इसका राइट आंसर है बी, अ स्क्वायर। 10 द एंगल बिटवीन द टेंजेंट फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन टू द सर्कल इज 10 का सी पाई बाय 2। 11 का है 11 का सी 2। 12 का बी। 13 का ए। 14 का सी। 15 का ए। मैथ के क्वेश्चन का मैं आंसर ही बताऊंगा, इन्हें मैं बाद में सोल्व अलग से वीडियो बनाऊंगा जिसमें सोल्व करवाऊंगा। क्वेश्चन का है बी। 17 का बी। 18 का बी। 18 का बी। 19 का सी। 20 का बी। 21 का सी। 22 का डी। 1 का सी। 1 का सी। सेकंड का डी। थर्ड का डी। फोर्थ का सी। फोर्थ का सी। 5 का बी। 6 का सी। 7th का बी। 8th, if the sum of the distances of a point from two perpendicular lines in the planes is 1, then the locus is option A straight line. 23rd option D. 24 D. 25 B. 26 D. 26 का D. 27 A. 26 का D. 28 का D. 29 A. 29 का A. Thanks for watching my video.